Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start inside Clipchamp with your project open and the clip you want to change selected. First, import or confirm media is on the timeline, so settings apply to visible clips. Once done, move your playhead to the clip and click the canvas to reveal the aspect controls. Make sure the clip itself is highlighted, otherwise canvas settings won't change it. This rapid start gets you straight to the ratio control without wasting time on unrelated menus. Now you change the actual ratio in canvas settings. Click the gear or canvas area and pick a preset like 16:9, 9:16, or 1:1. These apply immediately to the preview. If you need a precise custom size, use custom and type width and height values. Once selected, decide between crop and fit. Crop fills the frame but trims edges, while fit preserves all pixels with letterboxing. Make that choice based on whether framing or full content matters most. Finish by scanning the timeline to ensure transitions and overlays still align after the ratio change. Export a short test clip to confirm output resolution and any letterboxing or black bars. This reveals issues before final render. If a clip is misframed, select it and use scale and position controls to reposition or zoom. Alternatively, undo the ratio change and reapply with a different crop or fit option. If problems persist, re-import.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.